which is the reason why he is our Explosion Division champion. Ladies and gentlemen, Victor Morbius! Alright, they got to know me for a good minute now, and I feel like you've gotten to know me. I brought you out here because I was told that you want to make an announcement tonight. So I'm going to hand you this microphone, I'm going to leave this ring, and I'm going to let you do what you need to do and say what you got to say.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Y'all make some noise for one time. I was told on the trip over here that Mr. Todd Joe and Alex Wayne are going to be doing a #1 contender match for this later on tonight. So I'm interested to see how that's going to turn out. And either way it goes, I'm ready for it. Now, with that being said, USWX has yet in the last month to find me a challenger for this show. So I figured, why not? What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to throw out an open challenge to anyone in the locker room. One man, doesn't matter, in this ring versus me for that title. You win, you take it, I win, and the story continues. Who wants some?
You can call me the Associate. And I'm officially, what's so funny, lady? You baby, you can't be yours. I am officially the newest member of the USWX. And I've been sizing this guy up on Facebook for the last couple weeks, and quite frankly, looks like a bit of a trip for me. So I figured I'd come out here in Texas and honor you all with my presence and ring skills. Because let's just admit it, you didn't pay to come see this kid. Let's get it on, buddy.
Well, it seems we have a competitor for Victor Morbius to come out. A new wrestler in the USWX. This indeed will be a championship match. Sounds familiar, and of course it is. JPB comes to the ring.
JPB. Yeah, that's who you all know me as. But JPB is dead. I don't know who I am anymore. All
like you, and all you trash out here too. And I'm done letting that happen. From now on, I'm just another citizen, like all of you, a coward, hiding behind a mask. And now, I'm gonna kick all of you around, the same way you've all kicked me around.
Well, I guess we're gonna have a three-way match now.
Victor Morbius. Switchblade, how you doing, brother? Man, I'm great. Daryl from The Walking Dead. See him, man, got to go crossover. Donald Trump. All right. I heard somebody know the chat. Y'all talking about some years and I'm a new competitor and oh my God, America turned it back on me. You can look at me in front of my back home with my shirt is off. I've been doing this long and y'all will do together that includes the rest. If anybody around here deserves this challenge, it's me. The Louisiana Yard Dog Switchblade. And as long as that baby, it comes to the great state of Texas, Onalaska.
Can't tell.
Which really, y'all, I mean, look, really, this is a great place. So if you don't mind, I would like to interject.
For a little bit, I'm gonna sit down.
Let two veterans
Just careful.
go in here and do our thing while these two rookie cookies still watch how it's done.
Wow, this is going to be so much fun. I'll tell you what. Out of respect, you want a shot? You got it.
Y'all want to see this? Y'all want to see this?
Oh, hey. You want a shot? You got it. And I was sheer just hilarious in the entire situation. She want a shot? You got it.
Anybody else? Full way.
Alright, we're gonna have ourselves a four-way elimination match. I don't know if that's all. You made the open challenge, I didn't.
I'm good.
Well, then it's a fatal four-way elimination challenge. Yeah. Last man in the ring is the champion.
Ding, ding, ding.
Here we go. The associate throws Switchblade in the corner. Kind of bored. Wait, who we got there? Who we got? We got Victor Morbius. We got the wannabe. I don't even know what he is, but John Vance. We got Carly King for associate. And there goes the smallest cancer victim in the world, Patrick Vance. We got Switchblade on the headlock. I'm just astonished. Warrior goes on the associate's feet. Goes with Gertie. I'm sorry. I just have to say that. I didn't know what's happening. Why are you wearing? Oh no. Get up, Vance, come on! Let's go! Listen now, hold on. I'm trying to figure out what's happening in the room. Is everybody having a good time tonight? There we go, that's a bunch of idiots just making a bunch of noise. Yeah! Whoever admitted that to the and they're kicked out, of course, because Morbius is the weakest champion of USWX history. Let's go Sting! I mean Morbius! Let's go!
You are
I
not
have
on
no
there.
idea what's happening. It's just a bunch of dudes fighting each other. Let's go, associate! Let's go! Come on! You are a suit, you need to be more professional than that.
Switchblade, let's go!
Hey, nice! 1, 2, and they kicked out. Yeah. And whatever that was by Switchblade. I have no idea what's happening in this match.
That's because you suck!
Oh! Switchblade is spicy. Oh! Very intimidating. Hey, kicked out by the associate. Let's go, associate! Come on! They made you look great, and you are failing us right now. I want you to know that. You are failing every single one of us. No, he is not. You need your money back. He is awful. Yeah, I said it. He is doing awful. He's just as good as the educated legends. Not that good. Not that good whatsoever. Oh, nice drop kick by Vance. Yeah, the associate sucks. Yeah. I have high hopes, and then he's letting me down just because he wants to join the educated legends. That is disappointing. Hey, jump down by Morbius. That's illegal move. That's illegal. No, no. No, you can't touch the face. Stop it. No, he is awful. Return your money. You'll pay out. No. Oh, man, I have high hopes for you. Why would we tag partners? Why? You are awful, sir. Get out of here. And now it's down to Morbius. And I don't know. Switchblade? Switchblade? Okay. I'm sorry. What? Oh, thank you. I have no idea what your name is. He's kidding. Oh man, you start like a bitch. I'm out of here. I'll see you guys the next match because these guys are awful. All right, here we go. Switchblade and Morbius. Two wrestlers who are not confused by each other. These two have faced each other many times in Louisiana. They know each other like the back of their hands, and this is going to be an exciting matchup now. It's 1-on-1. We got the tie-up. One of them jockeying for position. Who's going to get the upper hand here? Who's going to call the Switchblade? Nice tie-up there. It's a 2 count off of it. Now Switch working on the arms and the upper reach on Morbius. I'm going to tell you what, this stretch right here will work on the inner muscles, the biceps, and the pectoral region on Morbius. That is a very painful hold. And here we go, Morbius trying to jockey for position to try to get some leverage to get out of this move. Nice elbow to the face. Nice DDT by Victor Morbius on Switchblade. That kind of offense he needs to get out there. Goes for a pin. Only gets a 2 count off the DDT. Now Morbius can get himself a little breathing room to compose himself. And of course, here we go. We have Gentleman James Showman over here at the announce table in my ear. What's the announcement? And he's here. So here it is.
About that time, realized that I was here. Look, I decided, you've been doing this all night. I decided I'd come to give you a hand as Victor Morbius takes the upper hand here during the match. Look, I'm going to tell you, God, Victor Morbius, along with Switchblade, are very skilled here in this square circle. As Morbius goes for the pin, and there's a kick out of it too. This match has taken a lot out of these two. You've already had 2 people eliminated in this fatal 4-way elimination match as Morbius going for the scorpion, the camel clutch, and there it is.
He doesn't have his submission locked in all the way. Morbius has to reach back and grab the chin. There he goes, he's reaching back. Trying to get a position. Yes. I believe he's got it locked in now. Yes. Switchblade hanging in there. A tough individual. I believe Switch might have passed out for the pain. That's it. That's the match.
Right there.
That is it. Apparently, the ref is calling the match. Switchblade passed out from the pain, but he never tapped out.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner and still USWX Explosion Division Champion, Victor
presenting the USWX Explosion Division Championship. You're the champ. And Switchblade is still out. Goodness gracious.
Yard Dog Switchblade. Ladies and gentlemen, this show is brought to you by Sonic. Also brought to you by